Hello, welcome to Simon Shield Cars. Today we're going to show you the beautiful Golf that we've taken in. So this is a 2009 on an 09 plate. It's a VW Golf GTD 5-door. This is the 170 brake horsepower car. It's done just 82,000 miles from new, only 3 owners, 12 services recorded in the service book. It's had the cam belt done as well. Lots of extras on this car, really good looking car this. So let's show you around. So part of the extras on this car, as well as the normal GTD bits and pieces, we've got front parking sensors on this car as well as rear parking sensors. As you can see, it's nice to see original number plates still on the car as well. We've got these lovely upgraded alloy wheels. We've got 18-inch Vancouver alloys on the car, all in lovely condition. And bright day here, so you can see the car well. Rear parking sensors on there as well. Let's show you in the boot. Oh, while I'm here as well, rear parking camera. You can't actually see it because it pops out. We'll show you that in a minute, but it's got rear parking camera on this as well. Inside here, as you can see, plenty of space in the back there. I think we've got a spare wheel down under here as well. Yeah, space saver spare wheel, all the tools, locking wheel stud, etc. is all there. Rear spoiler, standard equipment on the GTD. Really good looking car. This got the heat insulating rear glass here as well. Looking inside, we've got full leather upholstery here. I think this is the Vienna leather in here, so that looks really well too. Lovely extra to have. And into the front. Full set of electric mirrors and windows, sports seats obviously, and these seats are heated as well, so we've got the heated seat option on this car also. Okay, so we've got the lovely GTD steering wheel here, flat bottom, all leather, with the controls, computer controls, phone controls, etc. all on there. As you can see, 82,180 miles today. Across to the middle, we've actually got an upgraded, this unit, this touchscreen unit is an upgraded unit. This is the RCD 510, so this has got the multi-CD player built in. Digital climate control, as you can see, and the heated seat switches there also. 6-speed manual gearbox. Right, we'll just show you the parking camera. So select reverse, it pops out in the tailgate, and there it is on the screen. Okay, let's show you under the bonnet. So this is the 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. It's 170 brake horsepower. Absolutely flies, this car. It's so good to drive, but still very good on fuel consumption. As you can see under here, all clean and tidy, which is exactly as it should be. Okay, just to run through that again, 2009 on an 09 plate. Volkswagen Golf GT diesel 5-door, finished in silver with black leather and all those extras we've just been through. 12 services recorded, including the cam belt change, and 82,000 miles from new. Oh, just 3 owners as well. I may have mentioned that earlier on. Really good looking car this, so well worth a look. Any more information, please do give me a call. It's Simon Shield. It's 01473 658 091. Or alternatively, hop on the website for all the still photographs, pictures of the service history, everything's there, and that's simonshieldcars.co.uk. Thank you for watching.